Welcome to another TOEFL listening practice video. In this video, you will listen to a lecture, answer some questions about it, review the correct answers and explanations. Don't forget to subscribe for more TOEFL listening practice.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to discuss the impact of technology on education. Technology has revolutionized the way we learn, providing us with both opportunities and challenges. First, let's talk about the advantages technology brings to education. One significant benefit is accessibility. With the rise of online learning platforms, students can access a wealth of resources from anywhere in the world. For instance, websites like Coursera and Khan Academy offer courses on a wide range of subjects, allowing learners to study at their own pace. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for those balancing work and family commitments. Students can choose when and how they want to learn, making education more adaptable to individual needs. Another advantage is the ability to personalize learning experiences. Technology enables educators to tailor their teaching methods to accommodate different learning styles. For example, through adaptive learning software, students who struggle with specific concepts can receive additional resources and support. This ensures that no student is left behind, as they can progress at their own pace. Teachers can also use data analytics to track student performance and adjust their instruction accordingly, providing targeted help where it's most needed. Moreover, technology facilitates collaborative learning. With tools like Google Classroom and various discussion forums, students can work together on projects, regardless of their geographical locations. This not only enhances their understanding of the subject matter but also prepares them for a globalized world where teamwork is essential. Students can share ideas and feedback in real time, enriching their learning experiences. However, technology in education also presents certain challenges. One major issue is the digital divide. Not all students have equal access to technology and the internet, which can create disparities in educational opportunities. For instance, students from low-income families may struggle to complete assignments if they lack reliable internet access. This highlights the importance of addressing these inequalities to ensure that all students can benefit from technological advancements. Schools and governments must work together to provide necessary resources, such as computers and internet access, to underserved communities. Additionally, while technology can enhance learning, it can also lead to distractions. With the presence of social media and gaming, students may find it difficult to focus on their studies. Educators need to find ways to incorporate technology effectively while minimizing these distractions. For example, setting clear guidelines on technology use in the classroom can help students stay focused. Some teachers use apps that limit access to distracting websites during lessons, allowing students to concentrate on their work. Furthermore, there's a concern about the over-reliance on technology. Some educators worry that students may become too dependent on digital tools and lose critical thinking and problem-solving skills. It's crucial to strike a balance between using technology and maintaining traditional teaching methods. Students should engage in hands-on activities, discussions, and other interactive experiences that foster independent thinking. In conclusion, while technology offers numerous benefits for education, it also poses challenges that need to be addressed. As we move forward, it's essential to harness the advantages of technology while ensuring equitable access for all students. By doing so, we can create an educational environment that not only prepares students for the future but also ensures that they thrive in an increasingly digital world.
One, what is one of the primary advantages of technology in education mentioned in the lecture? 2. How does technology personalize learning experiences according to the speaker? 3. What is a challenge associated with the use of technology in education as discussed in the lecture? 4. According to the lecture, how can schools help address the issue of the digital divide? 5. What concern do some educators have regarding students' dependence on technology? 6. In what way does the speaker suggest educators can manage distractions caused by technology?